This is AI News 5 Minutes Welcome. We're witnessing history today. ChatGPT and Gemini have both crossed 1 billion monthly active users. Let that sink in. 1 billion. That's more people than live in India. That's more than the entire population of Africa. We're talking about mainstream adoption of AI at a scale nobody predicted would happen this fast. OpenAI's ChatGPT reached this milestone first. But here's what's wild. Google's Gemini got there almost simultaneously. And get this. Gemini is officially Google's fastest-growing product in the company's entire history. Faster than Gmail. Faster than YouTube. Faster than search itself when it launched. That's not just impressive. That's revolutionary. It tells us something massive is happening. People aren't just curious about AI anymore. They're dependent on it. They're using it daily. They're integrating it into their workflows, their creativity, their problem-solving. What does 1 billion users mean? It means AI went from being a tech enthusiast thing to a global phenomenon. Your grandmother's probably using ChatGPT now. Your kids definitely are. Your coworkers are sneaking it into their projects. Businesses are betting their entire operations on these tools. This isn't hype anymore. This is reality. This is the new normal. And we're just getting started. Now, let's talk about creator rights because not everyone's happy with how AI companies are training their models. Twitch just made a major move. Streamers can now opt out of having their content used to train Amazon's AI models. Your streams, your VODs, your chats, your channel content, all protected if you choose to protect them. Here's the context. Amazon originally made this an opt-in system, meaning they'd use your content by default unless you said no. Creators absolutely hated that. The backlash was intense. People felt violated. Their creative work was being scraped without clear consent. They weren't getting paid. They had no say. So Amazon listened. Now it's opt-out, which is better, but let's be real. This conversation isn't over. Creators worldwide are demanding better protections, better compensation, and more transparency. Twitch's move is progress. But we need industry-wide standards. We need clear rules about who owns what and who profits from it. This is the fight that'll define the next phase of AI development. Speaking of creative uses of AI, here's something absolutely bonkers. Remember that story about an Australian tech entrepreneur who used ChatGPT, Grok, and other AI tools to design a personalized cancer vaccine for his dog? Yeah, that actually happened. And now he's launching a startup around it. Let that sink in. This guy basically proved you could use multiple AI models working together to solve a real medical problem. His dog had cancer. Traditional treatments weren't working. So he got creative. He leveraged AI to analyze genetic data, research treatment options, and design a custom vaccine. It worked. His dog improved. And instead of just celebrating privately, he thought, why not build a company around this? That's entrepreneurship in 2026. That's how fast things are moving. Someone can literally use publicly available AI tools to crack a medical problem and launch a business in months. What does this tell us? It tells us AI isn't just for chat and content anymore. It's becoming a tool for solving real-world problems, medical problems, scientific problems, problems we thought needed PhDs and massive labs. Now, a determined person with AI tools can make serious progress. So here's what we're seeing today. AI adoption at historic scale, creator protections finally getting real, and innovation happening at breakneck speed. This is the AI revolution unfolding in real time. That's your AI news for today. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss tomorrow's updates. The AI world moves fast, and we keep you ahead of it. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.